Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manjuna Chandraya. Today's session we'll be learning how to protect the workbook, a worksheet and a particular cell. So I have a data, says payroll data. Just open the file. So I have the employee number, name, working days, wages and the amount. So this is a payroll related and salary related. Since it is very confidential, only the authorized person should have the access to the file. Let's see how can we protect the entire workbook. Go to file, save as, and save as. You can see, if you can come down, you can see the tools, click the drop down, go to general options. It's asked for a password to open, so just give whatever password you want. So I'm just giving sample as 123, the modification as 123. If you want to keep it as read only, you can check this box, click OK. It will ask you again 123 for the modification 123, click OK. You can rename it this file or you can overwrite on the same thing. So I'm going to overwrite the same thing. Do you want to replace it? Yes. Let's close this file. Let's try opening this file again. Now you see it's asking for a password. Let's put the password 123. Again it will ask you password for the modification, or you can click read only. The file cannot be modified but can be viewed. So let's click on 123 to modify the file. Now you can see. So this file can be one the person who has the password can open. So it's easy. So it's very safe so that nobody can see the file unless the authorized person who has the password. Let's say uh, we have a workbook. I don't want to protect the workbook, but I want to protect the particular sheet. Let's say we need to protect only the payroll sheet. I don't want to protect the workbook. So for that you can go to preview, protect, 123, 123, enter. So now you see, if you can make some changes, the entire sheet has been protected. Whereas if again can go to the next sheet, I can make some changes. Or if you create a new sheet, if you can click this, I can make some changes. But the payroll sheet is been protected. Nobody can delete anything, but they can view the data. So let's say, okay, now I don't want to protect the entire worksheet, but I want to protect a particular cell. First, unprotect the file. So I want to protect only these colored cells or the amount cell which has in the formulas. So I want to protect this E2 to E12. Keep control and select the E14. So I've selected this. So now I've selected the particular cells I need to protect. So how can I protect this first? So what we need to do is, first we need to unlock the sheet. So how you do? Control all. So protect control all selects all entire sheet, or you can click here to select the entire sheet. Right click anywhere, go to format cells and go to the protection tab. So it is locked, has been checked. So uncheck it. Usually in a default it will be always checked. So unlock it. So now it's unlocked. So now I need to protect only the particular cell range. So I am selecting E2 to E12. Keep the control, select hold control and select E14. So now I selected all this, only the particular range. So right click on that, go to format cells again, and protection, check the box. Now I'm locking these particular cells. Click OK, go to review, protect, 123, hit again, 123. Now you see, if you can make some changes here, I'm not able to, but you can do delete this anywhere here. I can do, I can type, but see, I'm not able to change anything in the particular cells. If we keep on E2, I can see the calculations here, C2 into D2, it's calculating. Let's say I don't want to show this formula also, because I would have taken the calculation from lot of data. I don't want anybody to know how it has been calculated. For that, how you can protect that? So unprotect this file first. So now again select the range, control, select the grand total. So right click on the top, format cells. So now you can see an option called hidden. If you check this box, it will hit the formulas. Now you can see here formula. So once you click this, Now go to protect again because we are unprotected. We need to protect again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you can see. So if you click on this grand total, like the formula, nobody can see the formula. So let's make some changes here. Now see, it is changing, but nobody knows that how the it is been calculated. And one thing is very important. Do remember when you unprotect a sheet. 1, 2, 3. So if you save this file again, if you don't protect, it doesn't automatically takes that. So you should once you unprotect, do something again go ahead and protect it so that the particular cells can be locked. It's very simple and very effective. I hope this session was interesting. If you think the video was interesting, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos and learnings. Thanks for your time. Happy learning.